So we're trying to figure out whether we need to stop homeschooling our 6 kids and put them into school. And the reason for this was that I wasn't sure whether we could financially make it with only one salary and me staying home to homeschool the kids. And we were trying to build a business at the time too. We were trying to build this blogging, social media, community business that we're trying to build here. You can check out our blog at dinkumtribe.com. But anyway, that's what we were hoping to start building. But of course, you don't make money immediately when you start a business. Usually you are putting money into it for a while. So we wondered whether we should put our kids in public school. My husband and I thought a lot about it and debated it and prayed really hard, just trying to see what to do about that. Our oldest is part of a charter online school. She can attend some things in person, but most of the classes and things are done virtually. And so that wasn't, we didn't have to worry so much about her high school, but the other 5 kids all needed to keep going with their education. And so in the end, we decided to continue homeschooling them. And I don't regret that decision. It wound up being really the best thing we could have done for them because we all had so much to grieve and to work through. And even though it was heavy for a long time, if you've ever as a parent supported your child through a grieving process where you yourself are grieving as well, you'll understand you'll understand what I'm talking about. But when you are grieving some great loss or crisis that has happened and your kids are also grieving it, it's really heavy and hard. And I'm thankful that we were still able to homeschool our kids for that, for those 2 years. For the last 2 years, the boys are still homeschooled and the girls are in the same charter that their sister is in, which has worked out well because they do their classes virtually here at home. And so it's given us a lot of time together as a family to talk through those feelings and challenges. It's given us the flexibility to pursue mental health resources and medical resources that would have been a lot harder to do around a school schedule. And it's meant that when one of us is having a day that's just hard and full of hard memories and feelings, we can take a day and say, you know what, we'll get back to school tomorrow. We can catch up. It's okay. And so that's actually turned out to be a really good thing for our family. So it might seem counterintuitive as a parent to homeschool your kids for mental health reasons, but for some kids and in a lot of situations that are difficult, if you as a parent can be available for them while they're homeschooling, it can really be a gift. And I say if you can, because not all of us are able to, and for some of us the safest and best mental health option is for ourselves or for our kids is to put them in school. And so I can't speak to anyone's specific situation, but I know for us, we were really thankful for the extra time it gave us to work through some of these really hard emotions and feelings and the grief we were carrying as a family.